Sri Gurubhyo Namah. The Rochester Temple, Rajarajeshwari Peetham, in this country it had its beginning first in Wickham Boulevard, Sodus Point, New York. From there, she moved to 254 Cedarwood Terrace. And from 254 Cedarwood Terrace, she moved to 871 Old Ridge Road in the town of Ontario. And in August 1987, she moved to 33 Park Circle. And in 1991, the Stroudsburg Ashram gave the Vigrahams of Sri Rajarajeshwari, Mahaganapati and the Shivalingam to us, and she arrived and was installed by my Guru at 33 Park Circle. We moved her to the present property because of lack of space. In May of 1998, and as many of you know, we have quickly grown out of the space. And we have decided that a permanent temple structure to house the Devi and the other murtis in the temple is all but essential. We have to provide a permanent home so that the next generation that is growing up practicing the Vidya will be able to practice it in the same format that my esteemed Guruji introduced, meaning accessible to all. Anyone who wants to learn the Vidya and learn the rituals of Sanatana Dharma, this temple will allow their growth in it.